guys, so I'm now videoing inside my units, one of my units room now, smaller room. Okay, so I'm here because of the lighting. You can see the windows, so the lighting is good. So the challenges of being a landlord. Okay, the first thing is you need to come up with an investment amount, right, as a deposit so that you can purchase a property. That's the first thing. Then the second thing is, along the way there's a lot of documentation, there's a lot of follow-up. You need to go meetings, you need to go annual general meetings, stuff like that, that you have to go through as a landlord. And the third thing is to have extra cash as a buffer during the time when there is no tenants in your unit. Okay, so you have to have that cash just in case, you know, your tenant decides to leave and you need to find a new tenant. So you still need to pay the mortgage to the bank, so that's why you need that cash buffer. Now the fourth thing is, the challenges are like you need to make very big decisions. Okay, like for example, now my unit is renovating, and you know, you need to fork out a hefty amount of cash to renovate the unit, but then it pays well in the long run. But of course, currently you have to fork out a huge amount of cash. So if you notice here, my unit is renovating. I don't know if you can see. So we're going to build that partition there. Alright, so that partition there separates this 2,500 square feet unit into 1,000 and 1,500. So with a smaller unit, you can charge a bit more to the tenant for a smaller unit. That's one. Second thing, the good thing is, when you charge a bit more, you earn more lah. You have higher ROI, return on investment. What's the second thing? Oh, the second thing is your unit becomes more competitive. Okay, because in a development they have fixed types of unit, like say 6 types of unit, but then because you already split up the unit, your unit size is very much different than other unit sizes. So you attract different tenants, right? For example, a tenant needs a 1,000 square feet unit, but then all the units, the minimum size is 1,200 square feet. Okay, so you attract this 1,000 square feet tenant instead of the 1,200 which all units have. That's competitiveness lah. Okay, so that's it, guys. I think that's quite a long one about the challenges of being a landlord, and of course what you have to do to improve your ROI, return on investment. And yeah, that's all. So see you guys in the next video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to XNU channel and do smash that like button if you learned something new today. That's all. Thank you for watching. Take care.